Honey, let's make some sweet and sour pork. The first thing we're going to do is marinate our pork. Here are the ingredients. We have 2 tablespoons of dark vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of our 5 spice powder, 2 tablespoons of rice wine, cornstarch, flour, and some vegetable oil for deep frying. Here's my pork out of the refrigerator. I did marinate it overnight. We're going to mix our cornstarch and our flour up. I did pour a little bit of my marinade out because I want my pork to be extra crispy. So we're going to go ahead and put our cornstarch and flour mix in, and we're going to mix it up really well. We're going to make sure that every piece is coated with this mixture, and then we're going to move on to frying our pork. I did, like I said in the beginning, we are using vegetable oil. You want to just pour a little bit. Here we're going to add in our pork, and we're just going to fry this on both sides until they're nice and crispy. Now here I'm going to make the sauce that we're going to go ahead and toss our pork in. Here we're using some soy sauce, brown sugar. We're using like a sweet and sour sauce, like a hot sauce. Honey, and now we're going to add in some garlic, and then we're going to add in our ginger. We're just going to go ahead and mix these ingredients in. We're going to make sure that they are well combined. We're going to bring this sauce to a small simmer like this, and then we're going to pour in some cornstarch, a little bit thick, not too thick, because it is our sauce to go to our sweet and sour pork, and you just want to mix that around. We're going to pour our cornstarch in. Now you can see that our sauce is getting thick. We're just going to mix that around. We're going to let it simmer for a little bit so it could get a little bit thicker. Now that it has thickened up the way that I like it, I'm going to go ahead and toss my pork in there. We're just going to flip them on both sides and make sure they are well coated. And look at that sweet and sour pork. It was delicious. I paired it with some rice, and look at that. It was good. You can't go wrong with some delicious sweet and sour pork. Let me tell you, it was so good. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.